Dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad.
I should still get some.
No, you're not getting dinner.
I demand some.
You was bad.
It ain't like you Mother Teresa.
So?
So you could. Ooh, let me get him.
It's the best bet. Do it again.
I'm gonna get you. Ooh, stay right there, cat. Ooh, 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 I got my leg up. Ooh, ooh, yeah. You just stay right there. I'm almost there. Ooh, I'm up here now. Ooh, ooh, this high as hell. Ooh, oh my God. Ooh, ooh, no. I didn't think this. Whoa.
Cat, that is a ninja dog.
Hey,
What?
we don't bark this early.
Who? Ruth.
What did I just say? We don't bark this early.
Ruth.
No.
I'm sorry.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not. You better stop talking back there. I said no, Pecan.
Mom, I'ma stop. And I'm so serious. No more shouting. I'm gonna try to pick up after myself. And I'ma be nice to the cat just for you.